Hello, and welcome to the MedBees.Life podcast. It's a feeling many of us know all too well, that frustrating, fuzzy-headed sensation where your thoughts feel slow and muddled, like you're trying to navigate through a thick fog. You walk into a room and forget why you're there. You struggle to find the right word in a conversation. This isn't just tiredness, it's brain fog. For years, this experience was often dismissed as just a symptom of stress or poor sleep. Medically, it's a collection of symptoms that points to an underlying issue with how our brain is functioning. It can feel like your brain's processing speed has been throttled, constantly buffering when you need it most. But what if this fog wasn't something we just had to endure? Deep within the pristine mangrove forests of Southern Thailand, a recent scientific discovery has uncovered a rare substance that may hold the key to clearing the clouds. Scientists have identified a unique emerald green honey produced by a special species of stingless bee that contains not one, but two powerful compounds with the potential to combat the very root causes of brain fog. To understand why this emerald honey is so exciting, we first need to understand what's happening in our brains. Scientists have pinpointed two core biological culprits that are almost always at the scene of the crime: neuroinflammation and oxidative stress. Think of neuroinflammation as a low-grade fire in your brain. When this immune response becomes chronic, it's like a fire that never goes out. This constant state of alert disrupts the delicate communication between your neurons, slowing down your ability to think and remember. Oxidative stress is the second villain. Your brain uses a lot of energy, and a natural byproduct is the creation of unstable molecules called free radicals. When they're produced in excess, they act like molecular bullies that damage your brain cell structures. The worst part? These two villains work together. Oxidative stress triggers more inflammation, and inflammation produces more free radicals. This creates a destructive, self-perpetuating vicious cycle that leads directly to the symptoms we call brain fog. Breaking this cycle is the key. Here's where our story takes a hopeful turn. A 2024 study on unique honeys from Southern Thailand reported the first ever discovery of emerald honey. Harvested from the Heterotrigona automa stingless bee, this honey gets its remarkable green hue from the nectar of the Melilla cajupudi tree. Using advanced chemical analysis, researchers found that this rare honey contained a treasure trove of bioactive compounds, but two in particular stood out for their known neuroprotective properties: Embelin and Lumichrome. Let's look at nature's first secret weapon, Embelin. Embelin is remarkable because it can cross the highly selective blood-brain barrier, meaning it can get right to where it's needed most. It then launches a multi-pronged attack on brain fog. First, it's a master antioxidant. It directly combats the damage from free radicals. Even better, it helps your brain defend itself by boosting your body's own powerful antioxidant enzymes. It doesn't just fight the fire, it reinforces the fire truck. Second, it's a potent anti-inflammatory. Embelin goes straight to the source, acting like a master switch to inhibit the core inflammatory pathway in the brain. And third, it directly supports neuron health and growth. This might be its most incredible talent. Studies have shown Embelin can enhance the cellular basis for learning and memory by increasing levels of a vital protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. Think of BDNF as Miracle-Gro for your brain. It's essential for the survival of existing neurons and the growth of new ones. Embelin's power lies in this synergistic effect. It systematically dismantles the entire destructive cycle of brain fog. Now for nature's second secret weapon, Lumichrome. This is a natural byproduct of vitamin B2, and its primary superpower is being an incredibly potent antioxidant. How potent? Scientific analysis found that Lumichrome's ability to scavenge free radicals was even better than that of ascorbic acid or vitamin C. This is significant. While Embelin is a multi-target agent, Lumichrome is a highly specialized upstream protector. By being such a powerful antioxidant, it can neutralize the free radicals that act as the initial trigger for the entire vicious cycle. It can prevent neuroinflammation from ever taking hold. So, what does this all mean? The discovery of Thailand's emerald honey suggests that nature has created a functional food that contains a synergistic combination of compounds perfectly suited to combat brain fog. Lumichrome provides a powerful frontline defense, while Embelin works behind the scenes to quell inflammation and actively repair our neural pathways. While more research is needed, especially human clinical trials, this discovery opens up a new avenue for those of us seeking to protect our cognitive health naturally. And on that note, it is crucial to remember an important safety warning. Honey of any kind should never be given to infants under 1 year of age. This is due to the risk of a rare but serious illness called infant botulism. In conclusion, brain fog can be a deeply frustrating experience, but understanding its scientific roots gives us the power to fight back. The discovery that a natural substance like Thailand's emerald honey contains powerful compounds like Embelin and Lumichrome is a beacon of hope. It reminds us that our health is intrinsically linked to the health of the planet. While we await more research, this knowledge empowers us to make smarter choices. The path to a clearer mind may be challenging, but with science as our guide and nature as our ally, the fog is beginning to lift. For more in-depth information, please visit our website at medbees.life. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insights into these amazing natural remedies. Thank you for listening.